Hello people, I just got this in the mail today. I'm so happy that I just got it. I was waiting like I would say a week, and I'm gonna show you how it looks, how the product looks, how the box looks, all that stuff, the opening. You got it. I ordered this on January 22nd and it came today, January 28th, which is 6 days later. I ordered it with a couple other things, which might have took even longer, but I don't know. That's looking nice. That's the tape, I'm guessing. This is the thing that goes on the air vent. We got a charger, a little charger for it. Nice. Is it a fast charge? Oh yes, it is. Wow. Impressive. Don't know what this is. It attaches to, I'm guessing, this. Now here's the product coming right out the bag, looking sleek, looking nice and new. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use it for my job, which is DoorDash. I gotta use my Google Maps, so this thing will help me a lot. I used to just have my phone in my hand. I'm gonna have an assembling video that shows how to put it all together and put it in the car, and also the end product will be there as well in the description below. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching the video.